Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this OPPO. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then select close in this pop-up, and when I go back, as you can see, location is now off. If you want to turn it back on, just click on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well, scroll down and click on location section over here. Then manage location of this OPPO by selecting this sweater next to location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!